We want to see ya in a Kia.
In 2023, Sunset Kia of Auburn is committed to making it as easy as possible to see you in a brand new Kia. Now, maybe you've heard that there's an inventory shortage of brand new Kias, but not at Sunset Kia of Auburn. In fact, when we produced this commercial, there were over 30 Neros and Souls in stock and more on the way. A great selection. And you can drive away from Sunset in any of these for just MSRP or maybe even less, depending on your trade. It's been a while since you heard that, right? Remember, they all come with Kia's 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty, plus Sunset's warranty protection for life and oil changes for life, saving you thousands more down the road. Plus, you'll find financing as low as 3.99% APR from Sound Credit Union. See SunsetKiaofAuburn.com or SoundCU.com for all the details of this exclusive limited-time offer. You just get more from Sunset, and people do like that.
We want to see ya in a Kia. You're gonna love what you try. That's Sunset Kia. Sunset Kia of Auburn.